Students, welcome to the mathematics class of 7-Star Convent School. Today we will see how to solve the questions coming on mixed numerals. So in this series our first question is simplify 7 whole 5 by 6 minus 4 whole 3 by 8 plus 2 whole 7 by 12. Now we will solve this question. First of all, if we have to solve any of questions which are coming in the mixed numerals, then our first step is to convert these mixed numerals into fractions. Okay. Now, if we convert these mixed numerals into fraction, it becomes 6 into 7 plus 5 upon 6 minus 8 into 4 plus 3 upon 8 plus 12 into 2 plus 7 upon 12. Now if we solve this, then we get 7 6 ja 42 plus 5 47 upon 6 minus 8 4 ja 32 plus 3 35 upon 8 plus 12 2 ja 24 plus 7 31 upon 12. Students, now we got the fractions from the mixed numerals. Now we will take the LCM of these fractions, then we can solve addition and subtraction of these fractions. Now what is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12? Let's calculate here. 6, 8 and 12, it become, at first we can divide it by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. Now again divide by 2, it becomes 3, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Again by 2, it becomes 3, 2 1 ja 2 and 3. Now we divide by 3, it becomes 3 1 ja 3, 1 and 1. LCM becomes, now LCM becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Finally we can say 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 2 ja 24. 24 is our LCM. Okay. Now students, we can write LCM of 6, 8 and 12 becomes 24. Now from here we write the LCM in combined form. 24, 6 4 ja 24, that's why we have to multiply 47 by 4. It becomes 47 into 4 minus 8 3 ja 24, that means 35 into 3 plus 12 2 ja 24, that means 31 into 2. Now if we solve this, then we get 47 4 ja 188 minus 35 3 ja 105 plus 31 2 ja 62. In the denominator we have 24. Now students, if we solve this further, and if we add 188 to 62 and minus 105, then it becomes 145 upon 24. Now we have an answer here, but we cannot leave the answer here because this question is coming in the form of mixed numerals. Then we have to make the answer also in the form of mixed numerals. Then if we convert this in the form of mixed numerals, then we can simply say 24 145. We have to divide 145 by 24. It becomes 24 6 ja 144, and we have remainder 1. That's why we can say it becomes 6 whole 1 by 24. This is our answer. Okay. Now students, our next question is 2 whole 2 by 17 multiplied by 7 whole 2 by 9 multiplied by 1 whole 33 by 52. Now this time we have to multiply the mixed numerals to the mixed numerals. Now if we are going to solve this, then how we can solve it? Just simply, first of all, we need to make the fractions from the mixed numerals. If we make the fraction from the mixed numerals, it becomes 17 into 2 plus 2 upon 17 multiply by, it becomes 9 into 7 plus 2 by 9, and it becomes 52 multiply 1 plus 33 upon 52. Now from here, if we calculate this, then it becomes 17 2 ja 34 plus 2 36 upon 17 into 9 7 ja 63 plus 2, it becomes 65 by 9 into 52 1 ja 52 plus 33, it becomes 5 5 3 8 85 upon 52. Now students, we got the fractions from the mixed numerals. Now we calculate the fractions also. If we are multiplying the fractions, then we can simply say if there is a number which can divide in the numerator and denominator, then we will do the first. First of all, we see here 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36 and 17 1 ja 17, 17 5 ja. Now from here we can say 13 4 ja 52, 13 5 ja 65. Now again 4 1 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4. Now students, if you see from here, we can say we have 1 by 1. In the first fraction we have 1 by 1 multiply. Here we have 5 by 1 multiply. Here we have 5 by 1. From here we can say we multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Now it becomes 1 multiply 5 upon 1 into 1 into 1. From here we get 25 upon 1. Students, we know there is no value of 1 in the denominator of any number. That's why we can write 25 simply. This is our answer of this question. Okay. Students, now we have our next question, which is division of mixed numerals. Now let's see the question. The question is 5 whole 4 by 7 divide by 1 whole 3 by 7. While we are going to solve the division of mixed numerals, then we can say we have to first make the mixed numerals as a fraction. First of all, we convert mixed numerals as a fraction. Let's see how it becomes. It will be 7 multiplied by 5 plus 4 upon 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 1 plus 3 upon 10. From here we can say it becomes 7 5 ja 35 plus 4 39 upon 7 divided by 10 1 ja 10 plus 3, it becomes 30 by 10. From here student, we got the fractions from the mixed numerals. Now we calculate the division of fraction. Okay. For calculating division of fraction, we can simply say we have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now if we solve this, it becomes 39 by 7 and divide symbol converts into multiply, and the next fraction is convert into reciprocal of this fraction. It becomes 10 by 13. Reciprocal means we have to interchange the places of numerator and denominator. From here to here, we make this denominator in the numerator and we make this numerator in the form of denominator. Okay. Now if we further solve this, then it becomes a question of multiplication of fraction. Now how we solve the multiplication of fraction? It is very simple. 13 1 ja 13, 13 3 ja 39. Okay. Now we have 3 by 7 multiply 10 by 1. From here we multiply the numerator into numerator and the denominator with the denominator. Okay. It becomes 3 into 10 by 7 into 1. Now finally it becomes 30 by 7. If the question is in the form of mixed numerals, then we have to make the answer also in the form of mixed numerals. That means we have to convert this fraction into the mixed numerals. Let's do it. It becomes 737 4 ja 28, and now here we have 2. That means we can write it 4 whole 2 by 7. This is our answer. Okay, students, today only this much. Now you solve the questions at your home. Thank you.